In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove likes from all Instagram photos. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Instagram app, then right here at the bottom right, tap at your profile picture. Next, at the top right corner, hit at menu icon and then select your activity. Next, tap at interactions and then select likes. It shows up all posts that you ever liked on Instagram, and from here you can tap on select, then select some posts. And then if you want to unlike them, just tap right here at the bottom where it says unlike and then confirm that action. As you can see, I have just unliked 4 different posts, and in the same way you can unlike all the posts at once. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.